In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare two PDF files using Adobe Acrobat. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this guide, you'll be a pro at spotting differences between documents. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you do so before continuing. Once you've got Acrobat open and ready, you'll see the familiar interface with various options laid out for you. We're particularly interested in comparing two files today, so let's focus on that. Begin by heading up to the top menu bar. There you'll want to click on View. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Compare Files. This action will direct you to the specific tool we need for today's task. If you don't see View at the top, don't worry. There's another equally effective way to access the Compare Files feature. Simply click on Tools instead, and from the suite of functionalities available, choose Compare Files. Now that you've got the Compare Files window open, you're on the right track. You'll notice two sections that say Old File and New File. The next step is to select the PDFs you wish to compare. Under Old File, you'll see a button labeled Select File. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt you to browse through your computer's folders. Find and select the first PDF document you want to compare. This file is considered the original version for our comparison purposes. With the old file selected, it's time to choose the second document, the one you suspect contains changes or needs verifying. Just below the first file option, you'll see another button labeled Select File under New File. Click this button and follow a similar process to locate and select your second PDF document, effectively making it the revised version in this comparison. Once you've chosen both files, you'll be ready to let Acrobat work its magic. Simply find the Compare button, usually highlighted to guide you, and click it. Adobe Acrobat will get to work, analyzing both documents meticulously. The program showcases its analytical skills by highlighting the differences in text, images, formatting, and any alterations made between the two files. These changes will be displayed clearly, making it easy for you to spot exactly what has been revised or updated. To enhance your review process, use the navigation pane. This tool is invaluable as it allows you to observe each difference side by side, providing a thorough overview of all detected changes. By the end of your session, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how the two documents differ. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to compare files in Adobe Acrobat. This tool is perfect for ensuring accuracy and consistency across versions, whether you're working on legal documents, business proposals, or academic papers. Thank you for watching and happy comparing!